Well, hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. Today we're back here at Six Flags Over Georgia for another adventure. This is their part one, but my part two of rides I never ride here at the park. Rides we never ride here at the park together collectively. We're joining here together on this adventure.
The Brethrens.
The Brethrens. It's gonna be a good time, another adventure, another fun time. Hopefully you all enjoy. With that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. Yo, we got three grown men in this little shell here as we're on Harley Quinn and we're about to spin around. Hold on tight. Let's see if we are going to get a fast spin or a slow spin. Who's gonna get sick for? Oh my goodness, here we go. Here we go.
Hang on, boys.
Oh, we move. Oh! We're moving.
Oh, okay.
Oh boy. All right.
Oh, here we go.
Wait. We're going around. Oh, we're moving. Is that your phone, friend? Oh no! Yes! Oh, there it is! I captured. That's good. Oh, we're moving. I should have had those nitros. We definitely got the one with spin the mold. We do. Okay, now this thing's moving. Oh my goodness.
You picked the good one.
We're not doing all these spinny rides. Okay. Jeez. Okay, we're stopping. We made it. Okay. Feeling a little nauseous, but we're good. We just got off of Harley Quinn, and I haven't been on that thing since they redid it. And that was really fun. Music's quite loud, so excuse that. Boys, how was it?
Yeah,
Excuse Fred, he's, Falcons out, he's watching the game, which we're tuning into the Falcons game. Jonathan.
That was crazy.
It was crazy. We got a lot of spins though, but it's really good. So that is ride number one that we never ride at the park on this part two challenge. Sorry, the music's so loud. Let's keep going. So whatever's next, maybe Poison Ivy? Because I haven't done that since opening day of this attraction. Let's get it. All right, change of plans. We're actually gonna do Catwoman with, again, something I haven't done since 2020, or maybe one time after, but definitely since 2020. And yeah, let's get on this thing and have a blast. 45 feet in the air, moving around. It's gonna be a good time. So as you can see, the line is quite long. Oh, my men are going by. Let's get in here. We're gonna wait here a little bit, and hopefully it moves relatively quickly. 3 years since being on this thing. This thing's moving. Woo! Oh, we're going vertical soon. The breeze. It's cold up here. Turning in vertical. Coming in for a landing, Fred. That's the new thing. Right. Coming in hot. Catwoman whip. All right, y'all. We just got off a Catwoman whip. First time since we met back 3 years ago, which is crazy. And that was a super, super hot day, by the way. Go back and watch that video, but it reached in this area with the mask. It was like 107. It was like crazy. But upwards and onwards, gentlemen, this way. Not to Catwoman, we're headed out. It is so loud, all the music, but my goodness. And it is packed here. But nonetheless, we're gonna head up the huge hill and venture on to maybe Dahlonega Mine Train, because that's another thing I never ride here at the park. Let's get it. Boy, I am already tired and quite dizzy from all of these rides that I never ride, but taking a little pit stop in the VIP section, well, the VIP place, lounge, and then going to hit Dahlonega because I never ride that, and keep this adventure going. So that is a no-go on Dahlonega Mine Train. I have never seen the line that long. Shout out to that opening day attraction though, but we're gonna give Wonder Woman a go, and I'll let you know how that is. Hopefully we can get on it, because that's gonna be fun. Wonder Woman would be epic today. So we're in line, this packed line right now for Wonder Woman, waiting to get on, and I'm just relaxing here in this corner. Got a little snackage from the VIP lounge, but we're just waiting to get on and do this ride. Which, funny thing is, I recorded myself doing this last time, but the camera cut off, so I didn't get to document it for you all. So I'm doing it again, so this will be included in part 2 of rides that I never ride here at the park. Oh boy. We're on Wonder Woman. Funny thing, I'm making sure I'm recording, because last time I did this for part 1, I wasn't recording it, but I'm looking now and I can see I am recording it, so I'm going on an adventure with you all. and we're off. Woo-hoo-hoo! Here we go. Ready. Woo-hoo-hoo! Flying now. Oh boy. Try not to lose my hat. Flying around. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, we're doing something now. We're doing something now. I can see my house from here. Fred behind me. Jonathan there in the red in front of me. Wonder Woman. Hold on, boys and girls. We're going. Woo! Make sure you subscribe if you guys are new. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Woohoo! And we're landing safely. We did it. So y'all just saw, we just got off a Wonder Woman flight. Again, my second time doing that. Wasn't too shabby at all. It's getting a little warmer here today, but that was pretty fun. Another ride that I haven't been on in a long time here. Super packed as always in that section, but it's crazy. But they are making progress here to my right of Ultra Surf location. Woo, that's gonna be they're really making progress, but cannot wait next year. But let's keep on going, headed over to Carousel Hill. It's gonna be fun. A lot of spinning rides coming up, my goodness. Ugh. So we're actually gonna do the merry-go-round now, because up and away, and the Hanson cars have a ridiculously long wait. So to spare you guys and make sure I get more content for y'all, more rides, yeah, we're going on the Carousel here. It's gonna be really fun. Do not do this often. So I got Jonathan here, Sir Frederick. He's too much of royalty, so he's just chilling over here. And I'm riding here, Trixie. Trixie's gonna take me on home here, and we're on the Carousel. Another ride that I never ride here at the park. And we're having a good time vibing. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. Are you ready? Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, Trixie, I believe in you. Let's go, girl. It really does look like we're leading the way, Jonathan and I, and then Sir Frederick is behind us. King Frederick down there. He's royalty. He's royalty. But it's about to begin here. They're making sure all the kids are secure on the horses. I'm even strapped in. See, I'm even strapped in here, you know, safety first and whatnot, and Jonathan, but we're gonna begin here shortly. But what a beautiful, beautiful attraction. What was it, 1908? 1908, my goodness. And we're off. Here we go. Another ride that I never really ride here at the park. And we're on it, right? Indeed. All right, Trixie, let's get it. And again, having a blast here at the park. Such a beautiful, beautiful ride and attraction. And Sir Frederick. We're leading him into the next town as he finds his queen. Leading to the next town that we're gonna conquer. Onward. Oh man, having a blast here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying yourself too as well. But yeah, the carousel. And it's coming to a stop. It's crazy how this works though and functions, especially after all these years. Insane, insane, insane. But it's coming to a stop. We did it, boys and girls. We did another ride here. Out on the carousel. Coming to a close. And that concludes our ride on the Riverview Carousel. I guess it is packed here in this area with long, long lines. But yes, we have one more ride here on this part 2 adventure of rides I never ride. I'm gonna let you guys guess right here, right now, what that ride may be. And this is what I'm saying. Look how crazy long this line is right here. That is nuts. But let's go and let me know what you all think is going to be the last ride of this challenge of part 2 of this video. Let me know in the comment section down below right now. Because I know what it is. Jonathan knows what it is. Yep. Sir Frederick Freddington III. He knows as well. So you all let me know. No, it is not in the Metropolis section of the park. Keep on guessing. And it's not Scream Machine, but my goodness, look at that line though. My goodness, 50 years though. It's not Blue Hawk. Keep going, keep going. Blue Hawk is closed here today on this holiday weekend. And yeah, basketball's going though. But we're close. We're close to our next task, our last one of this adventure. It's coming on up. Yes, indeed. Here it is, the tallest ride in park history, SkyScreamer. It's coming up next. Woo! And we're off. SkyScreamer. Tallest ride in park history. Woo, that breeze. That breeze is crazy. Woo! Oh boy. Oh, that breeze thing's moving. Oh man, that's crazy. Oh man. Oh, that breeze. Oh man. Tallest ride in park history. Taller than Goliath. It is windy, my goodness. That is wild though. Coming on down. Woo! And the descent. Absolutely insane. Just got off of SkyScreamer. Boy, we were so high up there. But yes, tallest ride in park history. Again, Blue Hawk is not operating today. Stuck there on the lift hill. But my goodness. Just got off of SkyScreamer as mentioned, and it was so good. Haven't been on that in so long, maybe 3-4 years or so, but that was absolutely insane. But that was a good way to, you know, wrap up this challenge here. But that was really fun. Rides I never do at the park. But yeah, SkyScreamer. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today here at Six Flags Over Georgia with the boys. Had an amazing time riding all of these amazing rides that we never ride here at the park. This was part 2. Of course, it'll be listed in the description down below, part 1. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. We had a blast. We had a lot of fun here on this adventure, but there may be a part 3 coming up later on, but who knows? So stay tuned on that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. What was your favorite ride that we did here on part 2 of this challenge? Let me know in the comment section down below. But make sure you subscribe if you guys are new. Leave the video a big thumbs up to my next video and or adventure. Take care, be well. Hey.
Have a thrilling day.
And have a thrilling day.